Hey guys, in this video we are going to continue our window functions, and in this tutorial we are going to explore other window functions such as row number, rank, and dense rank. They are all ranking functions, but they differ from each other. And let's explore their use cases and how they differ from each other. For this, let's start with the row number function. And for this we are going to use our employee data table as well, and I have added some other data in our table. Let's say that we want to find unique row number in each department, and for this, as you know, we are going to use our window function like this. I'm going to keep it here and change it here. Let's write the employee name here, and let's grab the department and then salary columns here and write our window function like this: row number, and then this is our magic word, as we know. And for partition, I'm going to use the department and order it by the salary of employees, let's say in descending order. And then let's use the alias like row number, and from employee data, and run the query. So what's it? And let's see how this query works. So firstly, we split the data by the partition by here, and we use the department. So data is split by the department. Firstly, we see the HR, then IT department, then marketing, and then sales department employees. And inside each department, we order by the salary in descending order. You see, we order data by the salary in descending order. So it means that the highest salaries come first. In the HR, let's see, we have Olivia. She has the maximum salary, which is 6,400. That's why her ranking in the HR department is 1. Then we have Natalie, and her salary is 6,003, and she got the second place in the HR department. Then we have Eva, Noah, and it continues like that. As you see, each employee in the HR gets the unique row number in this department. So row number here assigns a unique number to each employee. We can see it is applicable for the IT as well. Ethan is the first in the IT department. His salary is 7,300. Then we have Jason with 7,200, and it goes like this. We have totally 14 employees in the IT. Then in the marketing, the Olivia again is the first one who got the maximum salary, and then we have Emma Cooper, Ryan Walker, and it continues like this. And now let's use the rank function here and see the difference. And for this, I'm going to copy this query and then copy it here and change it. Let's use the rank function here and change it like rank number, and then run the query. Let's see how the rank function worked here. Again, we split the data by the department and ordered by the salary in descending order, but the main difference here is with the rank function and row number function. We see we have here Kyle and Laura, and they have the same salary, which is 3,800. And we see that both of them got the same ranking in the HR department. If you ask why, the main reason is that the rank function gives the same rank to the employees with the same salary. That's why, as Kyle and Laura have the same salary, their ranking in the HR department is the same, which is the 12th. Let's explore other examples here. We have Ethan and Fiona in our IT department with the salary 6,000. Again, their salaries are the same. That's why they got the same position in the IT department. So this is how rank function works in the SQL. And if we look at carefully, we can see that after 10, we have 12 in the IT department, because the rank function skips numbers after ties. as the Ethan and Fiona got the same position, the next position is skipped. That's why George got the position 12. And we see we have George and Hannah in IT department as well with the same salary and get the same position. And later we have 14 number, which means that as we use the rank function, this function skip the numbers after ties. As these two employees are tied, the rank function skip the number after ties. That's why we have the 14 here, not 13. This is a very useful function when we want to see the equal positions in the ranking. Now let's again copy this query and let's use how dense rank function works. Here I'm gonna use the dense rank and let's change here again dense rank and n, and let's run this query. Now let's see, we have new column with the dense rank number, and we see that the dense rank is almost like the rank function, but there is the one difference. Let's go to our difference and I'm gonna show you how it works. The dense function is almost like the rank function. The difference is that the dense rank function does not skip numbers when they are ties. For example, as you remember, we have the George and Hannah in the IT department with the same salary and they got the same position. But later, in the next position in the IT department, we see that after ties, the dense rank function does not skip the number. Because of that, after 11, we see the 12 here. And here we see Ethan, Fiona, and again they are in the same position, and then later the next employee gets the 11 position because the dense rank function works like this. We use this function when we want to see continuous ranks. Now I want to show all these three functions together, and for this let's change it like this. I'm gonna copy firstly this query here. Then I'm gonna copy this and let's copy this function as well. I'll see the difference again. And run the query. We see now three different more columns: row number, rank, and dense rank. Now let's continue with the George and Hannah. We see in the row number column, they got unique row number because the row number function gives the unique number for each employee. But in the rank number column, we see that they got the same ranking, but later in the next position, the employee got the 14 because the rank function skipped the number after 12. But in the dense rank function, they got 11, and later the dense rank function did not skip the number after ties. That's why in the dense rank function, we see 12 here in the Sophia. This is the main difference between row number, rank number, and dense rank functions. Again, remember that use the row number when you want unique numbers for each employees, and use rank function when you want to skip the numbers after ties, and use dense rank function when you don't want to skip the number after ties. That's all for this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.